Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. In today's tutorial, we're gonna learn that how we can take a screenshot on Snapchat without letting them know that we took a screenshot. If we take a screenshot on Snapchat send a notification to people that we took screenshot. So how we can take a screenshot without letting people know. So without wasting time, let's start. So open your Snapchat application, but first of all turn on your airplane mode. So now open the chat of which you have to take a screenshot. Like I'm recording video, so it send a notification of video recording, but you have to take only a screenshot. So take a screenshot. After taking screenshot, long press on the chat and then tap on chat setting and clear chat from feed. Okay, after clearing that, go back and turn on your Wi-Fi or your mobile data. After that, when you search your chat, the notification will not be sent that you took screenshot. So here we go. Thank you for watching and subscribe my YouTube channel for more cool tutorials.